In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio directly in PowerPoint in just about 5 minutes. Have you ever wanted to add a personal touch to your PowerPoint presentations with your own voice narration, or perhaps needed to give your slides that extra layer of depth with sound? Well, you're in luck. Today I'll guide you through a simple step-by-step process on how to do just that, ensuring your presentations stand out and your message is heard loud and clear. Let's start from the beginning. First and foremost, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to ensure you're working with PowerPoint and not another program accidentally. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll want to open the file you wish to work on. This could be a new presentation you're starting from scratch, or an existing one you're looking to add audio to. After you have your file open, the next step will take us to the Insert tab. This is located at the top of your PowerPoint window, nestled among other tabs like File, Home, Design and so forth. The Insert tab is your gateway to adding all sorts of content into your PowerPoint slides, from pictures and shapes to, you guessed it, audio. Now that you're on the Insert tab, it's time to find the audio option. Look for the audio drop-down menu. It should be relatively easy to spot. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, the visual design might be slightly different, but generally this option is located in the Media section of the Insert tab. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options. Knowing your way around can significantly speed up your workflow in PowerPoint. Once you've found the audio drop-down, go ahead and click on it. A few options will appear, but the one we're interested in today is Record Audio. Selecting this option will open up a new, small window. This is where the magic happens. Your very own recording studio right within PowerPoint. In this recording window, you'll notice a few elements. The most important one is the red button. This is your record button, and clicking it will start your audio recording. Before you click, take a moment to think about what you want to say. If you're adding narration to your slide, consider your slide's content and how you can enhance the information visually presented with your commentary. When you're ready, go ahead and press that red button. As soon as you do, PowerPoint will start recording audio from your computer's microphone, so ensure your microphone is properly set up and functioning. Speak clearly and at a steady pace, making sure to articulate your words. Remember, this audio will be part of your presentation, so you want to make sure it's as clear and effective as possible. Once you've said what you need to say, or simply want to stop the recording for any reason, look for the OK button in the recording window. Clicking this will stop the recording process. A quick tip: if you're not satisfied with the take, you can always record it again. Don't be afraid to do a few takes until you get it just right. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added an audio recording to your PowerPoint presentation. This can be a powerful tool for personalizing your presentations, offering narration, instructions, or even some background music if that suits your needs. Remember, the beauty of PowerPoint and its audio recording feature is in its flexibility. Feel free to experiment with different ways you can integrate audio into your slides, enhancing the overall experience for your audience. Whether you're a teacher, a student, a professional, or anyone who uses PowerPoint, adding audio can significantly impact your presentation's effectiveness and engagement. So go ahead, give it a try yourself, and see how adding your own voice can transform your next PowerPoint presentation into an even more compelling narrative or informative piece. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your presentations and other tech-savvy advice.